Hello, welcome. Today we are focusing on yoga and some very common problem, that is body pain and not sharp injury pain, but the daily discomfort and the tightness in your neck, your back, shoulders that feels where your body doesn't move so easily as it should. You might notice that this when you wake up in the morning, your body feels stiff, or after sitting for long hours, when you try to stand up, everything feels tight. Discomfort is there, pain is there, and sometimes even simple movements feel uncomfortable. Now, most of the people assume this means something is wrong, but in many cases, especially for beginners, it's not damage, it's actually a lack of proper movement. Now, let us understand this very simply. Your body is designed to move regularly. Your joints need movement to stay healthy. Your muscles need activity to stay flexible and supportive. But in today's routine, what happens? Just recall your day. Just 1 minute. You sit for long hours and the sitting is killing. Yes, the sitting is killing. The move is little and sometimes you do so much and sometimes it is like nothing. And this creates the imbalance. Some muscles become tight, some muscles become weak, and your joints don't even get that natural movement. Over time, this leads to stiffness, discomfort, and feeling heavy in the body. So today we are not going to fix this by pushing hard, but we are going to reset your movement slowly and safely. Let's begin with some very simple joint. Start with your wrist. Rotate them in a circle. When you rotate, actually your here, the neck, the nerves, these all are connected. So take your time. These are very, if you do these simple movements which I am doing, just so simple movement. And when you are breathing in, so it is breathing out. And then if you see your shoulders and you roll them back slowly, clockwise, then anti-clockwise. As you do this, you notice how your body feels. No judgment, just awareness. These very small movements may seem you very basic, but they are extremely important and they solve a lot of, they help improve your circulation of the joints, they keep them functioning smoothly. And now let us move to now again you can do the same thing with your knees. Slowly you can arc your back and you can lift your chest slightly, lying down. So these postures are there in this. And you can also round your neck and back. Drop your head gently, and rounding of neck, and then up and down, left and right. Can you see so simple movements? Don't rush in any of the exercise. Take your time. Just change the direction. Now, you can do the same exercise as I did, like this with your ankles, the slow circles. Imagine this is your feet and togetherly you are rotating your feet. Then as we did for the shoulders, yes, so simple. As you do this, you will see, basically the changes in your body. And can you see these basic movements are missing in your life? We have also done an exercise for the spine. Like you have to come to your hands and knees and you have to arc your back and lift your chest slightly. Come down and lift your chest slightly. These postures, now you have to, we did the exercises of the neck also. So when you expand, actually you're expanding your lungs. So don't force any movement. Just follow your natural range. And as you do this, try to connect it to your breath. Inhale as you open, exhale as you round. This movement helps your spine regain flexibility, and your spine plays a major role in how your whole body feels. If your spine is stiff, your entire body feels restricted. So even this simple movement can start making a big difference. Now you are requested to take a moment, sit or stand up slowly. Notice if you feel slightly. Now we'll add a little bit, nothing intense, simple holding with your feet grounded. Keep your body up, hold the position, lift you might feel your legs are working, but so this is important because your joints don't just need movement, they also need support. When your muscles slightly stronger, your joints don't carry all the pressure, and that reduces discomfort over time. Now relax, take a breath. Let's repeat a small movement again. Roll your shoulders anti-clockwise twice. Yes, move your neck. So neck movement, we have seen the up and down, the left and right, and the rotation move both direction. Yes, we have seen this because your body learns through consistency. You have to understand in this video. Here's something very important. You don't need intense workout to feel better. In fact, for stiffness and pain, gentle and regular movement works better. Pushing too hard can sometimes make it worse, but moving consistently at your level helps your body adapt safely. And over time, you will notice small changes. You feel less stiff when you wake up. You move more easily during the day, and your body feels lighter. But this happens only when you keep showing up for it daily, daily. Consistency and discipline. Not perfectly, but consistently. If you have been dealing with any stiffness or discomfort or for a while, doing this once will not be enough. Your body needs regular guided movement. That's exactly where we focus in our sessions. We guide you step by step with trained yoga teachers, instructors, where it's just beginner friendly yoga, mobility focused sessions, and even more active formats like aerobics are included depending on what your body needs. If you like to really feel this difference, you can click the link below to know our programs. I'm Dr. Naheed Khan. I'm a time audit coach. I work on the time management, your identity, personality, your money, and E is energy alignment. In energy alignment, we work on sleep, the gut reset, and yoga.